Did you know there's a fruit that looks like a vegetable, feels like butter, and is called nature's multivitamin? Yes, we're talking about the avocado. Creamy, dreamy, and super healthy. Avocados originated in south central Mexico over 7,000 years ago. Spanish explorers introduced it to Europe in the 16th century, and from there it spread to America, Africa, and Asia. Today, Mexico remains the world's largest producer of avocados. Avocado is a unique fruit packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, making it a delicious way to boost your wellness. Often called the alligator pear because of its shape and rough green skin, this creamy fruit is actually a berry with a giant seed right in the middle. Surprisingly, avocados have more potassium than bananas, making them a superfood that supports both your heart and muscles. Eating avocado isn't just tasty, it's a smart choice for your health. Here are 5 quick and simple ways to eat avocados. To make avocado toast, mash it, add salt, pepper, some chili flakes, and spread it on warm toast. Now, for a smoothie booster, add a slice of avocado to your banana or spinach smoothie. It makes it creamy and nutritious. And for the world famous guacamole, mash it with lime, tomato, onion, cilantro, and salt. And just simply dip chips or veggies in it. Running out of time? Make a quick salad topper. Dice it and add it on your salad bowl. It pairs well with nuts and fruits. So, whether you're a health freak, a foodie, or just avocado curious, this green gem has something for everyone. From Aztec temples to your toast, the avocado has truly earned its superfood status. Stay curious, stay healthy, and don't forget, life is better with a little avo on top. I hope you've learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pehchan, the Global GK Hub, for more amazing stories.